How to install Microsoft Word or Microsoft Office for free in a Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can install Microsoft Word or Office for free in your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is head over to Microsoft Store. Simply search for Microsoft Store in your device. And after you search for it on the search bar, simply search for Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365. After you search for Microsoft Office or 365, just scroll down and there you'll find an option called Microsoft Office. Now previously it was called Microsoft Office, but now you can simply choose this Microsoft 365 Copilot and simply install this. Now what this comes with is this app includes, or this software includes, all of our previously used software such as our Microsoft PowerPoint, our Word document, our Excel sheets, as you can see right here in the picture. So there you can see documents, presentations, forms, quizzes, and stuff like that. So simply tap on the install button. I've already downloaded it. So after you install it, you can open it up. And after you sign in, you can basically just use your Microsoft Office. And that is how you do it, guys. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.